Hello guys, this is GoPro TV here, and I'm going to do a bike check on that. Yes. Rucker, say hi to the camera. That's just saying hi. Well, yeah, so, yeah, what it is it's a Norco ride. It's a Norco ride. Yes, 2013 Norco ride. Start from the top to the bottom, or from the front to the back. Yeah, front to the back. It has ODI soft, ODI long neck soft compounds. Flangeless. They're better than the original ones, which I have on my scooter, which kinda suck. Red with red nylon ODI bars ends. They're more of a plastic than a nylon to me, but whatever you think. And Tecro levers with, I'm guessing, Tecro cables, and Tecro Novia. I don't know how to pronounce that. Focus. Where's focus? That. Yeah, Tecro Novelia with, I believe Tecro discs as well. Are there Tecro discs? Yeah, Tecro discs as well. It has Norco oversized bars. Oversized bar, this is really fat. And Norco oversized stem. Hollow middle. New Norco logo. It has RST Dirt rapid suspension technology. Really good. You can adjust that up there. Well, up there. K red tires with alienation plain rims in anodized red. Core PC pedals. Stock 3-piece crankset. A 30-tooth front sprocket and maybe 10-tooth rear sprocket, I think. I don't know. But, yeah. I'm making a video. A Norco rubber seat. Same back rim and tire combo. Don't know the hubs. Sorry, but I don't. I'll give you a sound of it. Yeah. Oh, integrated seat clamp too. And I think that's it. Oh, chain is a KMC chain. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and the headset, I think it's a FSA headset. Yeah, FSA headset. And in there is hollow. Oh, yeah. Bye. Rate, comment, subscribe.